my babies. Good morning, lions. Good morning, my patrons. Today is Monday, and I'm here today to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Okay, so today is Monday. It's a brand new day. And what are we going to do today? Well, we're going to get up in the morning before the family because we have self-discipline. We are strong. We are living in our new strength. We can do this. We're going to get up and we're going to do our morning routine. Okay, you remember your morning routine? It's very simple. Every single day, make your bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, moisturize your skin, fix your hair, put on your clothes, put on makeup if you wear it, jewelry if you wear it, perfume if you wear it. Go to the kitchen. Oh, put your pajamas away. Go to the kitchen. Make a little breakfast, but before you do that, empty all the dishes from the dish rack or the dishwasher and make a little coffee or brew a little pot of tea, make a little breakfast or start your breakfast going, then go wake up the family. You know what's so wonderful for children is to smell sausage and pancakes or bacon and eggs or oatmeal with brown sugar and toast going in the kitchen, and mom's happy and she's dressed and they feel like they can start a brand new day in a beautiful way. So wake up your family, put them through their morning routine. Remember, children, make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, put on your clothes, put your pajamas in the dirty clothes or in your drawer. Wipe the toothpaste out of the sink, hang up your towel, come to the kitchen and enjoy your breakfast. Again, little chores can be added, teeny weeny ones that need to happen first thing in the morning. Okay, new fresh water for your hamster, feed the goldfish, whatever, little teeny chores. You still have to inspect what you expect or the poor little animals will be floating upside down in their bowls one day, right? Inspect what you expect. Okay, breakfast. Then after breakfast on Monday, if you are a payroll lion, whether that means in the home or outside of the home, you're going to be off to work after you do your clutter check and inspect what you expect. All right, if you are staying home, you're going to start a load of laundry and you're going to go through any paper that you have, 1 inch maximum, to sort out what needs to be handled, what needs to be filed, and what's going to go into the shred or into the garbage. Actually complete the process by putting your to be handled and to be filed in your inbox on your desk. Shred or throw away that paper, get it out of the house. You're done with paper for the day. I don't care if you have 7 feet of paper, 1 inch a day is what's going to take it away. That's your nugget. All right, next thing we're going to do is get on with the day. So the second layer of our 3-layer cake today is going to be Monday is weekly home blessing hour. So that laundry that you started, hopefully that's your sheets, right? You stripped your bed. Let it air out for the day while they're going through the process of washing and drying themselves. Then you can just put the sheets back on the bed, pull up the covers, ta-da, nice, fresh, sweet bed to get into tonight. So that's number 1. Number 2, let's dust the house. Number 3, let's wipe all the glass. Number 4, let's empty all the garbage cans and reline them. Number 5, let's vacuum or dust mop any hard surfaces or carpets. Number 6, let's mop the kitchen and bathrooms. Each one of these is a maximum of 10 minutes. Each one of these 6 things, vacuuming and dust mopping, are all 1 10-minute thing. So if you have, like I do, carpet upstairs, hardwoods downstairs, 5 minutes up, 5 minutes down. Again, when you mop, you're just mopping the traffic areas. When you vacuum, you're just vacuuming the traffic areas. When you dry mop, it's mainly the whole floor, but it's quick. When you dry dust, you know, when you push the what's that called? Anyway, the duster thing for your floor, you push that around and then you sweep up whatever you've collected. That's pretty much the whole thing because it's big open spaces, hopefully, for you to do. All right, and it's quick. Now, we're not mopping those floors unless you have a commitment because you have dogs that bring in mud or they're shedding. That will require probably mopping and probably daily dust mopping. Okay, next. So we talked about mopping, we talked about dusting and vacuuming. Remember, when you do the glass, it's just the spots, not the whole thing. Remember, when you do your dusting, you're not moving things around. Hopefully you have an excellent beautiful ostrich feather or real ostrich feather duster and dust everything without moving it. This is just real quick. We're not deep cleaning, and emptying the garbage is super quick. Just grab up your bags and then put new bags in, throw those bags in the garbage. You're going to feel so great when it's done. Now, if you work in the home or outside of the home, I want you to strongly consider delegation. This is how you raise your children to be independent. If they're 9 years old or older, my personal recommendation, now you know your own children better than me, but I believe a 9-year-old can do almost every job on there. So you can break it into days and just have them do a little teeny bit a day, and that's their job. And reward them for that. Good job. That's a job, J-O-B. You get paid for your job. How can you reward them for that? What can you, it doesn't have to be monetary, but something to let them know you appreciate their hard work and to encourage them to do it again. All right, next is okay, if you can't delegate, then you yourself are going to do that while your dinner is sitting on the stove. You're going to do that little 10-minute job. And then the last thing we're doing today, everyone, is going to be our third layer is our zone. We're in zone 2, the kitchen. Today I'd like you to really look at the outsides of your cabinets. Get up close. Open the drawers and look around that. Open the doors and look around the edge where they meet. If you have white ones like I do, you can see a lot of junk on there, and it's amazing how quickly it gets there. And I don't even have children. So take a nice wet microfiber towel if you want to, or cloth. Take some cleanser. I love Mrs. Meyer's General All-Purpose Spray Cleaner. Spray it. It disinfects. It's plant-based. They don't sponsor me. I just love it. And wipe those down. You can do that in less than 10 minutes. Go quick. We're not killing ourselves here. We are detail cleaning. This is detail cleaning, but we are not perfectionist cleaning. All right, so if you do have something that needs to be painted, now is not the time. We're just doing this, and we're making sure that the smudges are off, okay? And the grease. Feel the places that you, sometimes I surprise myself and feel something and go, ooh, how did grease get there? So you want to wipe that down, okay? That's what we're going to do in our kitchen today. You can do something else. It's just my suggestion. Now, to remember, tomorrow is a free day, so we won't be cleaning in the kitchen, and we won't be, and our weekly plan is to have a free day, so plan something for yourself. That's it for today. Don't forget your after dinner routine, your before bed routine, checking your planner, 3 clutter checks a day, and always inspect what you expect. That is your job. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.